Rabindra Dhant was gonna lose this fight until round 3 happened. That round changed everything in the fight. And what makes it even scarier is that Kasib was trash talking for all these months. And the fact that Rabindra didn't have any major moments in the first 2 rounds, you would have thought he was just gonna give up. Lekin round 3 really saved him. And it's all because of this one piece of advice that his coach gave him. In this video, I'm gonna show you why Rabindra was losing and what he did to win the fight in round 3. And just to understand how insane round 3 was, we need to first go back to the first 2 rounds. So you see that Rabindra has a habit of overextending his kicks and Kasib reads it so perfectly. Rabindra ki entirely galti bhi nahi hai because I think he was just trying to test out the range. But this is the problem when you throw kicks against wrestlers. If you miss, they will make you pay for it. And that's exactly what Kasib did. You see this, Kasib just goes out of range, catches the kick and seedha straight for the takedown. Itni aasani se 30 seconds in and Rabindra is down on the floor. When you start a fight, aap sabse zyada fresh ho. You're ready to attack, you're ready to defend, you're ready to do everything. लेकिन अगर आपका opponent आपको पहले round में ही नीचे ले जाता है, that can be very demotivating for some fighters and can also drain some fighters अगर आपको wrestling properly reverse करनी आती नहीं है. लेकिन Rabindra, he can wrestle. Rabindra offensively इतना बड़ा wrestler नहीं है, लेकिन when it comes to defending wrestling, I think he's one of the best I've ever seen at defending wrestling. Again, मैंने अपनी breakdown video में कहा था कि the way he can just flow into position so smoothly, I think this is what really kept him out of danger and avoided his energy getting drained for the fight. Just the way he was able to defend, sprawl, switch positions, it was amazing to watch. अब देखो, although Rabindra did a very good job at defending the takedowns, Kasib was still the dominant one. Kasib was still the one जो fight को आगे push कर रहा था, whereas Rabindra was just on the back foot. मेरे को और बहुत लोग जो मेरे live stream में थे, सबको लगा था Rabindra lost round 1. लेकिन actually जब आप score card देखते हो, that tells a different story. 2 judges scored the round for Rabindra Dhant. I think this is primarily due to him being so good at defending and also जब वो ground पे था, जब वो नीचे था, his ability to keep hitting Kasib. Like आप इस frame में देखते हो, even though Rabindra is on his back, he's going for the triangle choke. इधर भी, even though Rabindra is literally getting taken down, he's still trying to hit Kasib somehow. The rest of the first round was just a bunch of wrestling from Kasib. And मेरे को लगता है कि Kasib का जो corner था, they were quite confident that they won this round. Right? उनको लगा होगा कि अच्छा यार, we controlled him the entire time. इसने बस थोड़ा सा defending करी, लेकिन I should have won that round. And मेरे को भी ये लगा, लेकिन I am so happy that the judges didn't score it for Kasib. ये कोई grappling या wrestling match नहीं है मेरे भाई. This is an MMA fight. So if you're here to fight, fight. Another amazing thing that Robbie did in this fight is staying composed. I mentioned this in the starting, but when you're getting kneed by your opponent, जब आपका opponent बस आपके ऊपर है and he's kind of dominating you in a sense, it's very easy to start panicking. To start feeling a lot of emotions कि यार मैं जीत रहा हूँ या मैं नहीं जीत रहा, this guy's on top of me, मैं इसको कैसे हटाऊँ, I'm not getting time to like strike. There can be a lot of emotions going through your head. लेकिन Robbie really stayed calm in all of this chaos and just had the mental strength to keep going. And this sequence में especially, remember this, क्योंकि in round 3, I'm gonna talk about what Kasib kept doing wrong that led to him losing this fight. तो round 1 ends. Rabindra की team इधर उसको कह रही है कि that was a very close round. It could have gone either way. लेकिन तेरे को अपनी स्ट्राइकिंग अभी दिखानी पड़ेगी. जहां केसिब की कॉर्नर वाज वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट. दे वर लाइक वेरी गुड, कीप डूइंग दैट, कीप शूटिंग द टेक डाउन एंड दिस इज योर फाइट. लेकिन उनको क्या पता राउंड 3 में क्या होने वाला था. तो राउंड 2 स्टार्ट्स एंड वी नॉट इवन 15 सेकंड्स इन एंड केसिब हैज टेकन रबिंद्रस बैक. इस मोमेंट में मेरी इतनी फट रही थी, आई वाज लाइक शिट यार, राउंड 1 भी गया, अब राउंड 2 भी ऐसे शुरू हो रहा है. दिस फाइट इज डन. लेकिन just watch what happens. Rabindra tries to get out of that position and he ends up in a worse position. Bhai, Rabindra's ability to just stay calm and get out of those situations is unbelievable. This is one of his many advantages. The fact कि वो इतना बड़ा है for bantamweight. The fact कि उसकी जो width है वो इतनी बड़ी है. He has such a bigger frame than Kasib कि it's just tough for Kasib to keep him down. हमने ये Chung Reng वाली fight में भी देखा था. Chung Reng, as good as he was doing in his wrestling, it was very tough for him to keep Ryo Tajima down, which is what led to Chung Reng losing the fight. I'm gonna save you guys all the time. इस round में ज़्यादा कुछ हुआ नहीं. It was basically a rolling contest between Rabindra and Kasib. There were barely any strikes. लेकिन क्योंकि Kasib was the one who shot the takedowns, he got the takedowns and he did control Rabindra in this round. He won the round by all three judges. Now we come to round 3. And this was the round that changed everything for Rabindra. And let me tell you why. It was all because of his corner's advice. Coach Mike, who is Rabindra Dhan's coach, tells Rabindra, dude, he's taking you down way too easily. Tu kya kar raha hai? You have to move around a bit. Tu bas uske samne khada hua hai and you're throwing kicks, he's gonna take you down. And in round 3, that is exactly what Rabindra does. He starts moving around so much more. Starts popping the jab. He starts using his range. And usko pata hai ki he's gonna eat a few shots. Lekin, bhai, that's way better than fighting on the ground. You see, Kasib here goes for the takedown and itni ease se, Rabindra is able to just get him off his leg. Now, this can be due to a variety of factors. Kasib looks very tired in round 3. It's not easy to control a bantamweight that big. Another reason could be the fact is क्योंकि अब Rabindra was moving around and वो उसकी range से इतना बाहर था that Kasib just basically had to dive in and Rabindra could see it coming. Again, validating Coach Mike's advice. And remember when I said earlier in the video that Kasib keeps doing one thing, but he'll get punished for it in round 3. This is where it happens. You see him shoot the takedown and he gets it. Right? Rabindra fir se in a very weird, awkward position with only 2 minutes left in the fight. At this point, Kasib's probably thinking, yes, yaar, I got it. Ab to ye fight meri hai, I'm just gonna control him. Lekin that's where he made his biggest mistake. Kyunki Rabindra did not give up until the final bell. Jab tak fight mein seconds the, Rabindra was like, I can still win this fight. Jahan Kasib already usne mentally soch liya tha ki I'm done. Main jeet gaya hu. मैंने उसको इतना कंट्रोल किया इस फाइट में, there's no way I don't win this fight. Oh, and bhai, who can forget that uppercut? Oh, that uppercut and that cross. Oh, I saw that and I went crazy, guys. This is where Rabindra punished him. Kasib को लगा कि ठीक है, तूने मेरे को पूरी फाइट नहीं मारी, मैंने तेरे को इतना कंट्रोल किया है, तेरी स्ट्राइकिंग खत्म. And he absolutely pummels Kasib to the ground. And एक बार जो रविंद्र को वो momentum मिल गई ना, he didn't let go of the gas until the final second. Kasib also had some success on the feet, लेकिन it wasn't even close to what Rabindra had. And आप बस देख सकते थे the impact that Rabindra's shots had. Kasib didn't have anywhere near that impact. Rabindra's throwing like a madman now. उसको पता है कि this is it. He has to leave everything in the cage or he's not going to get an opportunity like this. और मैंने ये round 3 शुरू होने से पहले कहा था. At this point in the fight, Kasib takedowns बस shoot कर रहा था for the sake of it, ताकि उसको शायद थोड़े से points मिल जाए. He had no intention or no energy left of actually taking Rabindra down. At the end of the fight, Kasib takes Rabindra down in the last minute. और यहाँ मेरे को डर लग रहा था because कभी कभी judges can be biased as to how a fight ends and they score accordingly. They'll be like, oh yeah, this fighter ended the fight stronger and that's the last thing we saw, so he'll win the fight. So when this whole sequence was happening, I was really scared. Rabindra फिर से उठता है, just a testament to show you that the fight's not over, and starts throwing bombs. What a fight. What a fight, man. हम सब के पास इतनी ज़्यादा expectations थी for this fight and it delivered. And जब हम round 3 का scorecard देखते हैं, all 3 judges scored it for Rabindra. Hats off to the judges for scoring this fairly. This win means so much to Rabindra, the team, and the entire country of Nepal, man. I mean, what those guys have been going through for the last week has been so scary. I want to express my sincerest condolences to anyone that has been affected by the floods. It's heartbreaking to watch here. I have put a link in the bio where you guys can go and directly donate to help people in need in Nepal currently. I've already donated $100. Aapki smallest donation could make the biggest difference to someone suffering. So hit the link in the bio and donate as much as you can. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो YouTube को लगता है कि आपको ये वीडियो भी अच्छी लगेगी. Let's find out if they're right.